Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to add favorite in Trivago. So here in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add favorite in Trivago. So this is very useful. Like let's say you're finding a good place to stay. You want perfect day on that day or a perfect room, and you can't choose which room, and you forgot what the name of that room was, and then blah 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 and all this stuff. Here I'm going to teach you how to put on your favorite so it won't be hard to find. All we need to do is let's just say we're gonna search something, let's say Manila, something like that. Let's say we're gonna search a room right here. Let's say we choose this one here, Manila Prince Hotel. Let's click on the heart right there, and then here we can create our list. Let's say Manila trip, because you're having a trip in Manila. Then create list. There you go. Now it's on the Manila trip list. Now it's keep choosing, and you see this Hotel Kimberly Manila. Then we click on heart right there. Then press on there. There you go. So now it's right there. And then we just choose another one. So I can show you guys that it's right there. How about this Hotel H2O? Choose it there. There you go, as you see. Now, as we go back right here. Press on favorites right there, as you see Manila trips. So we have three. There we go. There's three right here. Now to unfavorite them, just press on the heart right there, the red heart. Sample right there. Take a minute. Now remove. Now as you can see, there's only two of them. So there you go, guys. That's how you easily do it. Add favorite. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions or concerns, you can type it down in the comment section below, guys. I'll be happy to answer you as soon as possible here at Guide Glimpse. And thank you, guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.